Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create finance brand depth using lighting effects in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and loading a finance-related brand image. I take a short pause because brand depth in business finance must feel controlled. I duplicate the layer immediately. Now I open lighting effects and gently move the light source across the canvas. I slow down here, watching how shadows create depth. I reduce harsh highlights so the image stays elegant. I zoom in to check logos and finance text areas. I soften shadows where needed to maintain trust. I zoom out again and feel the overall balance. Now I add business finance messaging and align it with the direction of light. I adjust spacing so nothing